Namaste and welcome friends. I'm Jayalakshmi Ravichandran from Magic Needles. This day I'm here with a beautiful knitted pattern titled Diagonal Garter Ribs. This stitch is worked over a multiple of 5 plus 2 stitches and a 10 row repeat pattern. And this particular sample I have worked with my Aran Merino 100% superwash merino wool, hobby store merino wool. And I have used 5 needles for this. I have worked 2 repeats already. I have taken 5 multiples of 5 stitches plus 2 extra stitches on either side as my edge stitches. I simply knit those 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. Very simple pattern. Every first row and every other row you simply have to knit. Knit every stitch for all odd rows, and this is the right side row. Knit every stitch. Knit every stitch and get back. I have knitted every stitch for row 1. Now row 2. Slip the first one, knit the second, edge stitch. Row 2, stitch repeat, purl 2, knit 3, P2, K3, 1, 2 and 3. One more time, P1, P2, K1, K2, K3. Repeat the set of stitches P2, K3 till you are left with 2 stitches and place 2 purl stitches over them. I shall meet you at the end of this row. At the end of the row you are left with 2 stitches. Simply purl those 2 stitches. Of course these 2 are edge stitches. Row 3 is a simple knit row 3 and get back. We have completed row 3. We had to knit every stitch for row 3. It's an odd row. Now row 4. Slip the first stitch, knit the second. This is edge stitch. Now row 4 begins with knit 1. This is not a stitch repeat. Stitch repeat is again purl 2, knit 3, P1, P2, K1, K2, K3. At the end of the row you will be left with 1 stitch and you just have to purl that stitch and then knit every stitch for row 5 and get back. So you will complete row 4 and 5 and get back. I have completed rows 4 and 5. Row 5 was a simple knit stitch row. Now row 6. Of course 1 and 2 are the edge stitches. Row 6 begins with knitting 2. This is not a stitch repeat. Again stitch repeat is purl 2, knit 3. We are simply staggering the stitches to get the diagonal effect. We are staggering the set of stitches P2, K3 row after row to get the diagonal garter stitch rib. So repeat the stitches purl 2, knit 3 till end of the row for row 6, and row 7 knit every stitch and get back. I have completed rows 6 and 7. Row 7 was a simple knit row. Now row 8. Of course the first 2 are my edge stitches. Ignore them if you are not working the edge stitches. Stitch repeat for row 8 is knit 3, purl 2. 1, 2 and 3. Knit 3, P1, P2. Repeat the set of stitches, knit 3, purl 2 till you're left with 2 stitches, and those 2 stitches you're simply going to knit them. Okay, complete row 8 as well as row 9 and get back. I've completed rows 8 and 9. First, row 9 was a simple knit row. Now row 10. Begin row 10 by purling the first stitch. Stitch repeat is knit 3, purl 2 again. K1, K2, K3, P1, P2. After the stitch repeat, knit 3, purl 2, you will be left with one stitch at the end. You simply knit that stitch, and of course the edge stitches are knitted stitches. Complete row 10 and get back. I have completed the instructions for row 10. This is the wrong side. Turn your work. Here we go. We have successfully completed one set of pattern repeat, and this is how the diagonal ribs develop into diagonal garter ribs. Thank you friends for viewing the small effort of ours. Hope you liked it. If you really liked it, please do click on the like button, share our videos, do subscribe to our channel. At the same time, click on the bell icon and all notifications. Only then you will be notified of all the videos we upload. Thank you once again. Have a great day. Bye for now.